And here's our fourth grand finalist, ang worship leader at gospel diva ng Parañaque City, Janine Chris Peñoso.
Pagkasali ko po dito sa Born to be a Star, nakita ko pong nag-improve yung skills ko as a performer and as a singer. And nag-increase din po yung level of self-confidence ko in terms of interacting with people. Dapat po akong manalo dito sa Born to be a Star dahil I believe na by the grace of God, kakayanin ko pong manalo at matupad ang mga pangarap ko at ang mga pangarap ng naniniwala sa kakayahan na binigay sa akin.
Janine Chris Peñoso.
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pag-iyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Ngunit ito ay panaginip lamang, pagkat ang puso mo'y labis kong nasaktan. Pakiusap ko, ako ay pakinggan. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Ang tanging kong hiling ay makapiling ka muli. Kailangan kita. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Ang lagi kong dinarasal. Kailangan kita. Kailangan kita. Ang dami kong hiling ay makapiling ka kailangan kita.
Oh. Hindi ako nakarecord. Pambihira ka naman. Naiyak ako. Wow. I don't know if you know this, but I wrote that song. And you sang it so beautifully. Oh, I'm so emotional. Okay, let's hear it from whoever wants to talk to her.
Janine, this is the second time I heard you sing, no? And ewan ko ba, may something ka na every time. Every time I listen to you, lagi akong apektado. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Masaya naman ako eh. Masaya ako eh. Pero ang lungkot ko ngayon. Alam mo, parang feeling ko bago hiwalay ako, yung gano'n. And you have that. You have that. I don't know what it is about you, but parang, yeah, I'm so sad right now. And it's a good thing. And it's a good thing because that's our job. Our job is to affect people. Our job is to inspire people. And my God, you're just doing it beautifully.
Wow. Alam mo, hindi talaga makatarungan na hindi kayo manonood ngayong gabi. You know, what you're witnessing tonight is just amazing talent. God-given talent. Tita Kichi.
The transformation from when I saw them first, it's fantastic. I can't even their singing, their performance, total package.
Thank you, Tita Kichi. Maraming salamat. Janine, congratulations. Grabe po, talagang level up ang tensyon dito sa studio. Painit ng painit.